Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. And I didn't talk about it, but there was last week on Thursday a optional cumulative update for Windows 10. So this is, of course, the monthly bug fixing updates. So if you're on version 2004, if you're on version 20H2 or 21H1, you are actually getting this update. If you're on the release preview of 21H2, you are also getting this update. So like I said, it's a really an optional update. It's bug fixes. It will up your version of Windows 10, depending on what version you are, 19041, 19042, 19043, or 19044. But the important one is the ending .1266, 1266. So this is really a huge list of bug fixes of every kind. So whatever problems you might have, it could actually maybe fix this. So if you have some issues, maybe it's a good idea to install. Maybe it will fix whatever problem you have. If you don't have any problems, well, I always say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, which means if you don't have any issues, you don't have any problems, you can just forget this update for now. It does not contain anything that has to do with security. It really is only for bug fixes. And of course, next week is Patch Tuesday, so even if you don't install it now, next week it will be installing itself. Alongside the Patch Tuesday updates for security. So, like I said, really big list of bug fixes. So, if you have some problems, this might actually do something to fix the problems you have in Windows 10. So, like I said, version 2004, 20H2, 21H1, and 21H2 all have this update coming to their computers optionally. So like you said, if you go to Windows Update, you will see that it's an optional update that you got to click to download and install. It was like that here on my machine when I installed it actually yesterday. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.